Hi, welcome to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn how to highlight weekend dynamically with the help of index and match function. So without delay, let's begin the tutorial. So first, let's see the demo. As we change the month, the weekend columns are changed but still highlighting Sunday and Monday. So if I want Friday as weekend, then I have to go to setting page and uncheck them and check the Friday. You can see Friday is highlighted. If I want Wednesday as my weekend day, then you can see Wednesday is highlighted. So how to create this table and this type of conditional formatting? So first delete this condition. Okay, now the settings, I have to create a list of days and these check boxes. So let's try here. Weekday, take Monday, up to Sunday, and now here I will give an alternate row color, manage role, new. Here I will put equal to mod bracket open, type row bracket open bracket close, comma 2 bracket close equal to 1. Then I will give a this gray color and give a border. Okay, apply, we got it. And the next, another one, new, equal to mod bracket open row bracket open bracket close, comma 2 bracket close equal to 0, and here I will give only border. Okay, apply. Okay, so here we have completed the table. Now we will give here the check boxes. So go to developer tab, insert form control. I will put here the tick mark. Again, create another checkbox, then keep making the checkbox. Now I will delete this caption. So click here and press delete. Then select this one. Then click here and press delete. Now select this one and put it in the middle. Now select all this and put it little right, middle of this cell. Then select all the select all the checkbox and go to format, align left, and then distribute vertically. Now it's okay. Now we will set cell for these checkboxes. Select this one, go to developer tab, properties, and here in the cell link click this cell. Okay, then select this one, properties. In this way you assign the cell name to all these checkboxes. So you have assigned the cell for all the checkboxes. Now if you click, you can see here we got true, and if we uncheck it, we got false. So now to hide this false and this cells, so select the alternate cells and give the font color as white, and select this alternate rows and give a font color of this one. So these are hidden now. Now we will give a name range for this. Suppose I will give a name range, the week days, and this is suppose week value. Enter. So this range is weekdays and this range is week value. Now go to this page. Now here we will try the formula first. Equal to index, we will fetch the value true and false, and that is in the range week value. So week value comma row number, I will use match function. I will match the days with weekday range. So lookup value will be text, this cell, row will be fixed, comma, within double quotation 4 times D, bracket close for text, then comma, lookup array will be weekdays, comma, match type will be 0 for exact match, bracket close for match, bracket close for index, enter. So we are getting hash. So we can see here the result is true. It is, drag it and make the font smaller. We can see this is true and these two are false, that is Saturday and Sunday, as the settings Saturday and Sunday are checked. So Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, Saturday, Sunday all are true and rest are false. So this function is, formula is correct. So select this formula, copy, and then go to formatting. First select the range, go to conditional formatting, new rule, select this option and paste the formula in the formula box. Then go to format, fill with red color, border with white. Okay. Now we got the Sunday and Saturday as weekend highlighted. Now if we change it to Friday and Saturday, you can see Friday and Saturday is weekend. And if we do here Friday and Sunday as weekend, then Friday and Sunday is weekend. In this way, you can create this conditional formatting. In the next tutorial, we will show you how to highlight second Saturday and fourth Saturday. If I change the month, suppose January, you can see this is the first Saturday and this is the second Saturday, it is highlighted, then third Saturday and it is the fourth Saturday highlighted. If I select May, You can see this is the first Saturday, second Saturday highlighted, third Saturday and fourth Saturday is highlighted. So how to do this we will see in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial till end. If you have any problem regarding this tutorial, you can comment me, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks again. See you in the next tutorial.